Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublay phi ba ro kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Ka Dr. Metap Chandi Isangma Jonga National People's Party NPP kananang jam ha galinti banyo ya ka jingjab kabadan buram ha kambagre bat ban pinher ya kalama jong ka NPP hapo ka constituency ka bajumi khmat da ka Congress. Hadin bakut ka jingya nyaw vote jang ka round ka basaw ka Dr. Chandi kalayo haduh khat ar hajar mbrius pa nyaw pho pravod ba kinthop ya ka round 1 lai hajar lai spa khandai pho ar round 2 lai hajar nyaw spa khandai pho san but round 3 lai hajar praspa pra pho san kani ka kertong ka NPP kalatam da lai hajar praspa khat nyaw vote persha ya ka kertong baya jan e Kani ka kertong kadai ka Sadia Rani sangma jong ka AITC kabalakot pra hajar pra pusawon. U kertong ka Congress jingjang marang ulawan ha ka kerdan ka balai da ka jingyo nyaw hajar mrius pa khandai po sanvon but u kertong ka VGP Bernard marang ulawan ha ka kerdan ka pasaw bat yo nyaw spa shipovon. Ki kertong shimen kilayo Jerry sangma nyaw spa ndriwot but Sengkrabert and Marak Chispa Saupo Nyo vote.
We were hopeful that we would win, and I think that's what we did. Still waiting for the final result to be declared, so I think we should do it.
How are you feeling with each round of results? You are nervous?
Of course, I think as every candidate is, gets nervous for the result, I was also. Although we knew that the response was very good, still nothing was for sure until every votes were counted. So we're just waiting for that.
Looking at the trend, the Congress question is.
And the results are as per expectation. So we're very happy that the people of Gambegri have voted for development, and we are very committed to that. And once again, would like to take this opportunity to thank the people of Gambegri. We still have to wait. We still have the last round left. So let's wait for the final results and the announcement. But looking at the trends, it looks like we are quite comfortable, and we should do it.
And the trend, TMC has come second, so the destiny of the Congress has ended.
See, every election is different. One has to look at election from a different perspective, and things change. Voters are intelligent, even though they may be from rural areas, but they know what is good for them and how they should vote in every election. So this election, as I said, they have voted specifically for change in terms of the constituency and development. So future also we have to see how things go, and every election is to be looked at from a different point.
How are you celebrating, sir?
No, nothing. We're just happy. We thank God for His blessings. We thank the people of Gambegri, and we thank, most importantly, all our leaders who have worked tirelessly to ensure that we were able to reach to this level in this election. So
Thank you, sir.